Hello YouTube, I'm back again with another video, and today I want to show you some progress that I made. It's been a while since I made a video. It's been real busy, working 6 days a week, 9-hour days. Kind of gets tough to do anything that I like around the house. So first of all, I want to show you this AMSOIL silicone spray. I bought 2 cans of this. This is going to help out on the body of the truck. Spray it all down like Botagel, like how he does, and buff it, make it look nice. So I bought 2 cans of that. Put that over here. Then I also bought some air tool oil from AMSOIL, because I use my impact wrench a lot when I change my tires over, my air nailers for my wood projects that I make. I also bought a tube of AMSOIL grease. It's water resistant. Show you if I can get this open here real quick. It's blue. That's going to go on my Losi MTXL. Grease up like the gears for the diff gears. And the casing here, maybe put a white film on it. I'm not for sure yet, the waterproof. What I'm going to do there. And then my final thing is AMSOIL brake and parts cleaner, the professional strength. I do a lot of brake jobs on my car. Every year I grease up the pins for my calipers so they move freely. So I'll spray that up really nice and make it nice and clean again. And then I mentioned in the last video that I bought aluminum engine mount. Well, here's the stock plastic one. I kept the bolts in there so I won't lose them, and I know where they go. So here, I'll show you that real quick. There it is. It's the GDS Racing aluminum motor mount. You see how the black and silver right there look? That matches the whole truck, all the aluminum parts I've been buying for it. So I thought that was pretty cool. But I got that installed, got everything going, so the motor is almost complete. I would love to get the header pipe, but for now I have to use this. I'm going to use this to break it in, and then when I get my header pipe, I'm going to have it ceramic coated by my buddy. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Got everything torqued down on the motor. Everything's set to go. And I decided to run the kill switch wire by the carburetor instead of on the other side like I thought I was gonna do, but decided not to because Gary from Foundry RC said that the wire might burn on that exhaust, which I figured it might, but I was going to try to route it so it wouldn't, but you never take that chance, so I just put it on this side like I did on my Losi MTXL, or my DBXL I should say. But hopefully the next video that I do after this one will be taking out my diff cup out of my MTXL and put it in this. Transfer everything over to the aluminum diff cup for my center. I want to get that done before I put the motor back in, so everything will be a lot easier to take out. So alrighty guys, thanks again for watching, and I'm going to start making some more videos. Have a good one.